Hello, welcome to 230th Street. We're going to be touring a one-bedroom apartment with parking. It is that parking spot to the left, right on the corner. This is the exterior of the building. It is located on Dolores and 30th. Okay, so let's enter the building here. The entrance is over on 30th. It is managed by a property management company, Relisto. You enter through secured gates here, doorbells to the right, and your mailboxes are over here to the right, as well as package deliveries behind the gate. Okay, so here's the lobby. To get to the unit, you walk upstairs. However, I'm going to show you the parking spot and laundry room that comes with the unit. There's also storage as well. Okay, so it is a spot here to the far right. There's no additional storage in the garage. However, you do get a storage room. This is the laundry room. It is fairly large. They are coin-operated machines. And you do get one of these storage lockers in the hallway here. And there is the trash. Okay, so let's head on up to the unit. This building is located in a fantastic location. You're walking distance to Church Street, where you'll find many wonderful restaurants, coffee houses, and conveniences, and walking distance to Glen Park and easy access to the freeway. Okay, this unit is located on the second floor. Over here to the left, this is a south-facing unit, so you get lots of natural light. To the left here is the bathroom and the bedroom. And over here to the right is the living room and kitchen. But we're going to start this tour off on the east side. So you have linen closet just outside the full bathroom. Nice Art Deco bathroom with tub and shower combination. There is a skylight, sink, toilet, and medicine cabinet. Okay, the bedroom is located right next to the bathroom. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. Double pane windows. Nice big bedroom. This is the view from the bedroom here. And you have a nice deep closet. As you can see, this unit gets lots of natural light. Okay. There's a front door, gas heating. Over here to the right is your coat closet, and there's a shelf and plenty of additional storage space. Here's a skinny closet, just perfect for brooms. Nice sunny kitchen with gas range and refrigerator. There's plenty of space here for a little breakfast table. And you have a similar view as the bedroom view. Okay, just off the kitchen here is your living room. This is a nice light-filled room. And there you go. If you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much.